The skin around your stoma, called the peristomal skin, should look and feel like the rest of the skin on your belly. It should be clean, rash-free, and not itchy. Your skin may be a little red after removing your wafer, but this is normal and should go away within several minutes. If the skin around your stoma stays red or has a rash, contact your doctor, ostomy nurse, or call the Convatec Customer Interaction Center. Before applying a new ostomy skin wafer, it is important to wash your skin thoroughly with warm water. Don't worry, water will not hurt your stoma. After washing your stoma, make sure to dry your stoma well by patting a dry towel all around the stoma. Slight bleeding of the stoma is normal. For extra skin protection, your healthcare provider may have recommended AllKare Protective Barrier Wipes. These wipes provide an extra layer of protection between your skin and ostomy appliance and are meant to be applied after washing your skin. To use, simply wipe the skin around your stoma and allow the liquid to dry completely. Then continue applying your wafer and pouch. These are not recommended if you have a rash or open sores around your stoma. To help remove the ostomy appliance, your healthcare provider may have recommended AlKare Adhesive Remover Wipes. These wipes can be used to aid in removal of the pouch and adhesive residue left behind. To use, simply wipe the adhesive remover between the skin and the wafer, gently peeling the wafer back while continuing to wipe. Make sure to clean your skin after using the wipe to remove any excess oils left over. These are not recommended if you have a rash or open sores around your stoma.